Right, I've had a quick look around. I've got to work out how to open the boot because there's no pull cable. I saw there that the seat needed repair, but that one there's in pretty good nick. And the back seat is just plain old black. So that'll be getting done. The roof lining is awesome. Missing a couple of handles. It's got a mirror, it's got a dash. That's my gear shifter at the moment. Certainly no T-bar. All inside the doors is awesome. All inside the doors is awesome. Really great. So overall, very happy with the state of the bodywork. And I've got to try and do something about getting that boot open. But the doors are great. Everything's just solid as. That's a great start. Yeah, so it looks like it's got SLR door trims. SLR type door trims. And they're all quite reasonable. Good cleanup. It's got the, I think it's long grain or just a black vinyl with the, oh, forget it now, whatever it is. Awesome. Right, love it. Right, got to get in and open this boot and the bonnet. Cool.